Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you an update on how I do my wash and go. I already added my leave-in conditioner and put my hair in 4 sections. The serum I used adds shine and slip to your hair and finger detangling the section. I did a how to define your curls video some months ago and many people were saying it was too long, so I decided to show you guys a shorter but still effective method. Create a smaller section to which I spray some water and add a cream. After smoothing that through, I'm adding Styler gel. My hair is thick, so I always need a gel to define my curls. Again, I'm just using my fingers to rake and smooth the product in. All the products I added before the gel prevents the crunch from the gel, but it still has a nice hold. It's kinda hard to find products that can mix, so a great tip is to just mix the cream and the gel in your hand. If it has a consistency like cottage cheese, then you know that's a no-no. From my experience, the brown Styler gel may flake. I'm not sure why, but I stay away from it for that reason. Again, I'm just repeating the same steps, parting my hair in medium-sized sections and smoothing the products in. I don't use combs or brushes for styles like these because you know kinky hair is delicate and me don't want to rip out all of my hair. I really cannot afford it to. For the parts that are stubborn, just twirl it around your fingers and you'll be good. The crown of my hair has a totally different texture from the back, as you can see. It's a much looser curl, so it's easier to define. It also requires less product. Now people, be careful because you don't want to break your neck or pass out. But this helps to break up the clumps of curls so that it can look fuller and evenly distributed. I'm doing my edges because in my opinion I have a freaky hairline and it just don't look right when it's not pushed back. While that's setting, I stretch my roots and blow dry it upside down to get a fuller look. Before doing this style, you may want to check the weather because your hair may shrink if it's too humid. Unless you don't mind shrinkage, then that's fine.
Focus on me! Focus on me!
Now my hair is 75% dry, I believe, and there's the final look. I really hope this video was helpful and it wasn't too long for you guys. Please give it a thumbs up if it helps you and subscribe for more videos. Tag me on Instagram if you tried this method and let me see your results. Bye people, see you next week. Mwah.